Hi everyone, Alex Filvet is here, and right now I want to share with you another optimization technique. So let's check how we can merge elements in our scene. So I have these lights. So let's check how many lights I have into my scene. Yeah, pretty like a lot of lights I have in my scene. So now what we can do with these lights, just to reduce draw calls in our scene, what we can do, we can press actor, merge actors, merge, and replace, merge actors. And maybe I want to put to the same folder with lights. I think it makes sense. Lights. Or maybe lights additional. Yeah, here. Let's save it here. Okay. And now let's select one of them. And we can see that they are merged. Let's try to move them. Yeah. So in this case, we can reduce our draw call instead of instead of working on each light, our Unreal will see it as a one mesh. So instead of, for example, how many lights I had? Around 8 lights. So they're like separate objects. And in this case, we will have, let's just imagine 8 draw calls, right? But now we have one draw call. So we already optimized pretty much our lights. So I think it was a good example, and I hope it was useful for you guys. So have a good one.